Lots of us have beautiful leather clothes and we want to clean them, but taking them to a leather cleaner is very expensive. Maybe you have a beautiful leather couch in your living room or leather interior in your car. So today I'm going to show you some easy ways that you can clean leather. Now, first of all, I want to show you how to clean this jacket. Now, this jacket is mine, and as you can see, it still looks pretty doggone good, and that's because I clean it myself all the time. First of all, a way to clean any leather, and I always say, test it in an inconspicuous spot first if you're not sure. I'm going to put a little coconut oil on that, just on a soft cloth. Then I'm going to start, and I'm going to buff. Now, I think you can already see that it's shining it up, cleaning it off. Then I'm going to buff with a dry cloth, and I'm just going to hang it back in the closet and let it dry out good. But it softens, which is the nicest part because it conditions the leather. Now, you can also use any kind of neutral soap. So Dove soap, Castile soap, ZOTE soap is excellent. All of those are readily available in the grocery store. I'm going to lather a little of that soap up onto a soft cloth, and I'm going to come in and I'm going to use that to wash this, and I wash it down really well. And let me tell you, after all the years I've had this for, I've washed it many times. Then I'm going to take a soft cloth, I like microfiber, and again I'm going to buff, and I'm going to let it hang to dry out. Now, maybe you have a little purse or you have shoes. What's a quick way to clean those up? You're ready to go to work, you're ready to go out for the evening, the stuff's looking a little grungy. Take a baby wipe and simply rub it over the shoe. Rub it all the way around. You don't have to dry it, you don't have to do anything. Look at how shiny that is. Same thing, if you have a purse, a nice leather purse, simply rub it with that baby wipe. It cleans it right up so that you don't have to go out with dirty shoes or purse. So remember, any of this leather cleaning you can use on your furniture at home, in your car, on leather clothes, leather pants, leather jackets. You can use it on your furniture, you can use it in your car interior, but always check in an inconspicuous spot first before you do it. So great leather cleaning tips. I'm sure you'll find one that you can use. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.